Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see next question, that is question number 5. Prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So here let us consider two similar triangles. Here we can take them as here this triangle is similar to this triangle. So let us label it as ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now we need to take the square of the ratios of the corresponding medians. That means here medians are to be drawn. What is meant by median? The line joining midpoint of a side of a triangle to its opposite vertex. Here you see for triangle ABC 3 sides are there, so that we can take 3 midpoints. Here one midpoint, here one midpoint, here one midpoint. So for example here if I take a midpoint, for example here I take it as some M, where M is the midpoint of BC, that means BM equal to MC. Then the line joining A to M is called median. Similarly we will be having here one more median from B and one more median from C. So 3 medians are there, in which I am taking only one. Right. Similarly here let us take midpoint of EF as N. So here EN is equal to NF. It indicates N is the midpoint. Then the line joining DN is called median. Right. Now let us hear what is given and what is to be proved. So given here ABC and DF two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Right. AM is the median. AM is the median. Right. When AM is median, that indicates that M is the midpoint of BC. So we can write BM equal to MC. BM is equal to MC. Let us take it as equation number 1. In further proof it may be helpful somewhere else. Same way here DN is also median. DN is the median. DN is the median of triangle DEF. This is of triangle ABC and this is the median of triangle DEF. When DN is the median, then N is the midpoint of EF. N is the midpoint of EF. That indicates EN equal to NF. EN is equal to NF, and it also can be written as 1 by 2 EF. 1 by 2 EF. Let us consider equation number 2, and here this equation 1 also we do a little bit changing that. Already we have written BM equal to MC. So we write is equal to half of BC. Let us consider this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. To prove what to prove here? What to prove? The ratio of areas of these two triangles. That means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is the ratio of squares of their corresponding medians. For triangle ABC, AM is the median, so AM square by for triangle DF, DN is the median, DN square. This is what we have to prove. So now here let us enter the proof. Right. Already from theorem 8.6 we have learnt that when two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So we can write here that we know that since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, we can say that area of, here I am writing a little bit this side, so here area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of, see here, this is the ratio of squares of, I am keeping the squares of their corresponding sides, means AB square, for that corresponding side is DE, so DE square, AB square by DE square. Same way BC square by EF square, and also AC square by DF square. This is already a known theorem for us. So let us write clearly AC square, and here BC square, and here AB square. Right. So let us consider this as equation number 1 over 2 over, and consider this as equation number 3. And also, since these two triangles are similar, we know two conditions. First one is that their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal when two triangles are similar. First condition is that their corresponding angles are equal. So we can write that angle A equal to angle D, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So let us take it as equation number 4. Now second condition, when two triangles are similar, this is the first condition. Second condition is that their corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. So we can take AB by DE, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, BC by EF is also equal to AC by DF, AC by DF. Right. Now let us write AB by DE as it is, AB by DE as it is, and here you observe BC. BC can be written as 2 times BM or 2 times MC, since M is the midpoint. Here, according to our requirement, we take 2 times BM, because you see BC is equal to 2 times BM. From equation 1 we know BM equal to 1 by 2 BC. On cross multiplication, 2 times BM equal to BC. That means in place of BC I am writing 2 times BM by, similarly in place of EF I am writing 2 times EN. Same from equation number 2, EF equal to 2 times EN. 2 times EN. Right. Here I am not going to take AC by DF, let us leave it as it is. 2 get cancelled. So here AB by DE, AB by DE is equal to, we got here BM by EN, BM by EN. So let us consider it as equation number 5. Now here let us compare this triangle ABM and the triangle DEN. Here I mentioned this is the first part of this first triangle. I am going to compare with first part of this second triangle. So now here we can write from triangle ABM and triangle DEN. So here let us write our observations. Already we got AB by DE equal to BM by EN. AB by DE is equal to BM by EN. This is what it is from equation 5. That means here you compare here AB by DE, means these are corresponding sides, is equal to here BM by EN. These are the corresponding sides. That means here corresponding sides are in proportion. So these are the sides and these are also sides, right? And from equation 4 we have angle B equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. This is from equation 4. From 4. So this is angle by SAS, similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. We can say that these two triangles are similar, means triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN, right? When these two triangles are similar, then we can say that the areas of, or we can say that the sides of these two triangles are in proportion. Here we have proved ABM is similar to DEN. So we can take their corresponding sides are in proportion. So here we can write that AB by corresponding sides DE. AB by DE can be written as BM by EN. BM by EN is also equal to AM by DN. AM by DN. Now almost all we have reached this conclusion. Here you compare, just observe here. Let us take it as equation number 5 over. This is equation number 6. Now it is very easy to compare. Just observe equation 3 and equation 6. See here, I am going to compare equation 3 and 6 from equation 3 and equation 6. Equation 3 says that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square. Equation 6 says that AB by DE is nothing but AM by DN. That means here equation 3 says it is AB square by DE square. But equation 6 says that AB by DE nothing but AM by DN. So we can replace AB square with AM square. Since AB is equal to AM, almost AB by DE equal to AM by DN. I am replacing AB by DE with AM by DN. So let us maintain the squares as it is. Now here, once again I repeat, equation 3 says that area of AB triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB square by DE square. But equation 6 says that the same AB by DE can be replaced with AM by DN. So here I am writing AB square by DE square. I replace with AM square by DN square. Now you just observe the relation between these two. This is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding medians. Here AM is the median of triangle ABC and DN is the median of triangle DEF. Therefore here you see what is to be proved, we have achieved it. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AM square by DN square. Here we got AM square by DN square. So here we can write it is hence proved. With this problem 5 gets completed.